Welcome to Obillion Kiddies TV. It's time for fun and adventure. Yay, let's go.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another fun learning quiz from Obillion Kiddies TV. Today we're learning about Nigeria's 6 geopolitical zones. I'll tell you some states and you have 5 seconds to guess the correct geopolitical zone. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, and Ekiti belong to which geopolitical zone? Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo belong to which geopolitical zone? Akwa, Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Edo, and Rivers belong to which geopolitical zone? Benue, Kogi, Kwara, Nasarawa, Niger Plateau, and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, belong to which geopolitical zone? Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Taraba, and Yobe belong to which geopolitical zone? Jigawa, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Kebbi, Sokoto, and Zamfara belong to which geopolitical zone? Excellent. If you got all 6 correct, you're a Nigeria geography champion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Obillion Kiddies TV, and come back for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.